Hi guys, let's unbox my Apple Watch. My first time owning an Apple Watch. They gave me this box. Okay, there was an option with plastic or they gave me this box. I was like, you know what? Give me the package and it's free. I was like, give me the package, please, for vibes. Anyway, here's my watch. Right. Oh shucks. And then open. I think I need to take it back a bit. Oh no, focus. Yeah, that was a guess. I'm gonna take. Alright. Ooh. Okay, Mama. There's different wristbands and whatever. We're going on here. I took midnight black or midnight, whatever. I like color. Anyway. Okay, let's carry on. So there's two boxes inside. Ilephethe inland wristbands, whatever. Yeah, sport band. So I took amnyama. What's going on? Guys, is this stuck? What am I doing? Oh! Should I do this? Hey boy, Kisha Janland. Okay, let me read. Okay, this is how you put the wristbands, the bands in the watch. I don't. Oh, phone it up. Okay. Oh my god, I need it. When's Hey, sugar. How? You being a pumgan land. Wow. Okay. Hi again. Okay. Now okay, now you learned from me. I should have just. Anyway. But still, it's a stuck healing. Okay. Easy. Okay. They feel heavy. And weight. My wristbands are gone. Okay, let's see if I can put onto the next thing. Midnight aluminum case. Okay, le unboxing athi angeke yenzeke njengalabo abantu eba cute nje kuvuleke yonke into. What's going on? Alright. Nali watch lami. Hayibo. Nali. Seated cutesy. And then think la. Okay. It's the charging button. Charger. And whatever, Gila. 18. And then let's open the watch. Tulelen. Kumele ngenze njani? Hayibo. I-empty ibed. Alisho pero hello. To continue, connect Apple Watch to its charger. Basila. English. Choose region. Is South Africa. South Africa. Setting language.